Hey everybody, Paul Cram here. So I was curious the other night. I was chatting with a friend of mine about some of our favorite scents and perfumes and things like that. And I was like, gosh, one of my favorites, Rivertown Road by Liz Zorn. I was like, I haven't, I've emptied the bottle. I've ordered bottles of those over the years from her, and I went to look online, and I was like, oh no, it's no longer like buyable. It didn't say discontinued. It just said, sold out. So I looked around at a couple of different places. One is Liz's website, which is Soivohle, Soivo. I don't know. I'll put it in the show notes here, description. But Liz Zorn is the perfumer of Rivertown Road, and I know that. So I ended up as the box, as you can tell. Like I have something to open, but I have two things to open. Because there's a website called American Perfumer, and I know that they carried Rivertown Road, and so this was just I was online and I was like, wait a minute, this is one of my favorite, scents. That really it was really one of those scents that got me started into enjoying scent and like not enjoying scent. Actually, that's incorrect. Like I think it's one of the first scents where I was just like, this is it. This is kind of like a roadmap, a compass for me, where it's like I like this. I know. Anyway, so I found on American Perfumer that they had some scent samples of Rivertown Road. They didn't have any full bottles, so I went ahead and I ordered the scent samples, and this is the package that they came in. And I've actually I ordered one thing from them before and it was out of stock, so I never ended up getting it. So I'm excited to support American Perfumer and get something from them. um, yeah, just a nice note from Dave. Um, yeah. I don't think that it's official that like Rivertown Road will never be available again. I didn't totally ask Liz Zorn, because I got in touch with her, but um these are the scent samples of Rivertown Road, and I can already start to smell it in here. It's lovely. Yeah, cool. Very cool. So they come in these lovely, lovely little. I ordered all of them. Actually, there was four of them, so I ordered them all because I was like, I don't know when Riverton. I don't know. So that is from American Perfumer. So I ordered those, and then I got in touch with Liz Zorn, and I was just like, Liz, I see that Riverton Road online is not for sale. Do you by chance have anything that I could order from you? And she was so kind. She emailed me back and she was like, you know what? Yes. She's like, I have enough for um, a bottle. So I was like, I would love to order it from you. And yeah, it was really great. She just sent me a little invoice and paid it, and boom, here is the box. So um yeah. Um Lovely box. um yeah, there's the word Soivohle. And it looks like actually that's right, I forgot. I ordered the I think right now the last bottle of Rivertown Road for the moment. We'll see where that goes. And then I also ordered a small bottle of her green oak moss. um Yeah, and she always includes like a nice little note, and it looks like there's a couple of scent samples in here as well that she included. Which let's take a peek and see what those are. Um, let's see here. 12 keys, little scent sample, and oh, Lavender Quest, Which Lavender Quest, I'll be very curious to smell and sample one of these. I'm not going to put it on right now. I'm not going to put it on right now because I have a meeting that I have to go to, and sometimes I find with scents that you do not know that it's really a good idea not to try them when you're walking into a meeting. So this is Rivertown Road, EDP, artisan made. The box is pretty. I know that the box itself, like the painting on it, Liz Zorn did as well. She's an artist. Just love it. But I haven't had a bottle for a while, so I'm curious what bottle she is currently using. This is really nice too. Rivertown Road. I don't know if you can see that. It's so bright. These are wrapped very, very well. Excuse me. Ooh, yeah, these are new bottles. Like I don't think I've ever seen one with this cap. This is really beautiful. Sleek bottles, Liz. Very sleek. Like gorgeous. Yeah, I hope that Rivertown Road is still produced, but if not, I have the last bottle here. So yeah, it's just a really good scent. For those of you that are curious, it is a lavender. I think the word is fourget. Yeah, it's a really it's a good scent. It's I don't know that I would ever say that I love lavender scents. Like I think lavender is really lovely, but this one, I believe it's made, I think the lavender in it, something is unique about it. I think it's again, don't quote me on this, but I feel like it's not a liquid form, it's like a butter form that she uses. And it just has this really lovely round profile to it. I mean, the very first time that I wore it, I was like, oh, okay, whatever. And then I went about my day, and then it was like a half hour later, I was like, dear God, like this aroma, it is really a great scent. I did want to mention too, like not in this iteration, but I was so happy to see Luca Turin. I think a lot of you probably fume heads are very familiar with Luca. I was happy to see in his latest iteration of his perfume guide that he was talking about Liz Zorn's work. He was talking a little bit about, I believe, Don Spencer Hurwitz's work. You know, a lot of the indie perfumers that I have fallen in love with over the past 10 years. I was like, finally, Luca, you're discovering them and you're finding them. And I think he's enjoying sort of the resurgence in the art of perfumery because they're pushing boundaries and doing really, really cool stuff. So anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed it. This is a beautiful bottle, adding it to my somewhat, for me, it feels like a big collection. I think for real fume heads, this is a pretty small collection. But anyway, I hope everybody's having a good day. If you have a favorite scent by an indie perfumer, let me know what it is because I'd love to try it. All right. Thanks.